Hi friends, great morning. Welcome to my channel. Friends, during my yesterday's analysis, I told you that crude, the upside movement is almost done or it is near to the resistance zone. And I have mentioned that, I was expecting a breakout from the CPR range and I was expecting a downside breakout, right? I hope you have seen that. And even I have told that the support zones are these zones, right? The weekly pivot and the support 2, that is 2 of daily pivot, then the swing high-low mark, right? This is a zone which I told the market is supposed to come and settle. And exactly you can see that market has actually first half it actually tried to come down, and even I told there is a small support zone here, and exactly it came to that support zone, which is near to that S1 level. From there, it recovered, right? And all the way it went and just made a breakout from the CPR range. And see, this is a place many people would have got trapped, where people who were following CPR range would have went long. But people, I don't know whether they noticed there is a swing high, swing low, and there is a previous day's high, and this entire zone, when we go to the long-term chart, we will understand this is a resistance zone, right? So it was not actually a right breakout, and even though if somebody would have taken a long position, actually he would have not got a good level to exit. Basically, there was no enough space to go up, right? So that was a false breakout, and from there again the selling pressure came. So whenever the price comes to near to this zone, that's what we need to understand. The sellers are getting more violent, right? And exactly that's what happened. The entire after 6:30, the entire trend was on selling side, right? So sellers were dominating. So this is what has happened, and exactly what, as I told, it came near to the pivot, weekly pivot, and from there it started playing around, and still the selling pressure was actually continuing in the closing time also, right? So we understood that the sellers were actually dominating yesterday, right? Now, now today, let us see what is actually today's levels. First, let us go to NYMEX crude. NYMEX crude, again, if you see, it is still playing within that this zone. And this is almost giving us a selling. See, many times when the price come to this level, the sellers were getting dominated, and they are actually dominating, and they are becoming violent, right? See the kind of selling happened yesterday. So it may be today also it can continue. That's what I am expecting. And it may be, see, we have a support zone which is 20 EMA. The 20 EMA may give us a small support for the day. So in case if the selling continues, that may be one level to watch out, right? So anyway, the trend it's showing, anyway, it's not bullish. That's what I'm feeling as of now. Otherwise, there should be some big movement, and it should cross above this level. Otherwise, I'm not bullish. And then let us go to the MCX daily chart. MCX daily chart also, as we mentioned in the previous videos, this was the major zones, right? This 6780, 6705, these levels. So exactly, if you see the market, the selling pressure start from that same level, right? And yesterday, almost it was like an engulfing candle. So even though not exactly, but it is, yeah, right? And again, it looks like it can continue the selling pressure. Maybe this level 6483 and all level will be good level to again take a support, because we have it in DMA, but doesn't mean that it has to take. And just that's what I'm expecting, right? So anyway, trend, see, otherwise the this high has to break, and it has to go above this level, then we will see the trend changing. Otherwise, I feel it's a bearish trend only. Now let us go to the 30 minutes chart. 30-minute chart, what is showing, as I told, previous day the selling pressure was there, and it is expected to continue. Now now the price is trading near to CPR range, and CPR is a wide CPR, right? So I don't see there can be a big trending day. There can, see, it can be a sideways days, or it can slightly a bearish trend. That's what I'm expecting. here it may actually what the best level to sell will be in between these levels, right? The CPR range, maybe the middle pivot is around 6,609. So almost when the price comes to near to that level, and if at all this 20 EMA also supporting, that will be a good level to sell as per my understanding. And first support can be this, the previous day's low and the pivot, and below that it can take a support this level, right? So as we saw in the daily chart, 20 EMA comes. See, the 20 EMA price can change. It will change during the market movement time, right? But as of now, it's almost near to 6480 level. So that means around 6480 this level, right? This small this level, right? So almost this level it can take a support, right? So I'm not expecting more than that. Okay, the trend I am interested to change, or I am likely to change the trend only if it breaks the previous day's high and all, right? Otherwise, trend remains will be sideways. In case if it breaking CPR range and going out, see this level, it can take a resistance. That's what I'm expecting. So friends, this is just for an educational purpose. So what I want to give you a disclaimer is, I'm not guaranteeing you any success. I'm not guaranteeing you any profitable trade from this video. So do your own analysis before making a trade, and make sure you manage your risk reward ratio properly, then take a trade, right? So that's all in this video, friends. And before winding up, I have a couple of requests. See, if you're not yet subscribed the channel, click on the subscribe button, and comment in the comment box what was your key takeaway. Hit on the like button, and also share this video with your trading friends, so it will be useful for them also. And also, friends, I have scheduled a couple of master classes. Thursday we have a price action secret, and Friday we have superpower trader. So the link to register for the masterclass will be there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Let us learn more. Let us catch up at the masterclass. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading day. Thank you.